Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And we got a 2018 Hyundai Elantra. This is the SEL trim package. It's a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Wanted to share this with you in a real quick walk around video. We'll go on the outside, then we'll go on the inside. I'll show you what it's all about inside. It does have a light gray cloth interior. Go back here. It does have a backup camera and a nice LCD monitor inside, and your backup camera is right there. So let's go ahead and open the trunk to this. Okay, so here we got the trunk open. You can see it's got a lot of space and very clean. So let's go ahead and continue. So we'll go on the driver's side. Take a little bit of time to show it to you. One thing I want to note, and I hope that you can see the emblem right here on the mirrors, but it does have a lane warning feature. Whenever you have a car coming up beside of you, like to pass you, this mirror will illuminate. If you have a car on the other side, let's say you're in the far left-hand lane, it will come on also. Let's go ahead, open the door, looking back. Okay, here we go. You can see the light color interior. Show you the liner overhead. You do have a two-tone colored door panels. Your light gray, darker gray, very attractive. Okay, we'll take a peek up front. Actually, before we get in, I'll show you everything inside. Go around here, we'll show you the door panel here. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, so I've got the car running now, and the LCD monitor is actually connected. So let me go here and show you the cluster. The mileage on this as of now, very low miles, only 13,703 miles. And you can see you do have Bluetooth connectivity for your smartphones. You can actually have hands-free talking, answer and receive phone calls, volume up and down, mute. Go over here on the right side, you do have cruise control, and it does select different options up on your instrument cluster. And we get over here to your LCD. It does have SiriusXM radio capabilities here. So I'm going to drop it down in reverse and actually show you the backup camera. There it is engaged. Put it back up in park. Scroll on down, show you the climate control. It does have different driving modes to help conserve fuel. And scroll here, you got a couple cup holders, armrest. Does open up for extra storage. And now you can see the back seat, and there is a lot of leg room back here. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is our 2018 Hyundai Elantra, and it does have a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine in it. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a phone call. Come up for a test drive. We've got a lot of financing options available. Get you on the road. Have a great day.